guys. Welcome to the channel. Today we are gonna talk about the water crystal experiment by Masaru Emoto. So Dr. Emoto was a Japanese author and a pseudoscientist who believed that human consciousness has an effect on the molecular structure of water. Through the 1990s, Dr. Emoto performed a series of experiments observing the physical effect of words, prayers, music and environment on the crystalline structure of water. Emoto hired photographers to take pictures of water after being exposed to the different variables and subsequently frozen so that they would form crystalline structures. And the results were astonishing. Dr. Emoto discovered that crystals formed in frozen water reveal changes when specific, concentrated thoughts are directed towards them. He found that water from clear springs and water that has been exposed to loving words shows brilliant, complex, and colorful snowflake patterns. In contrast, polluted water, or water exposed to negative thoughts, forms incomplete, asymmetrical patterns with dull colors. The implications of this research created a new awareness of how we can positively impact the earth and our personal health. On the left is the photo of the water crystal before the Buddhist prayer, and on the right we can see the photo of the same crystal after the Buddhist prayer. Here we can easily notice how beautifully the crystal has arranged itself after the prayer. He again got the similar result when he spoke to the water with love and gratitude and then with evil intentions and negative words. Again we can make it out by the pictures how the words affected the crystal nature of water. Next we can see how water crystals are affected by sounds. On left we can see the crystal when it was exposed to heavy metal music, and the crystals exposed to classical music is on the right. I hope to see you guys being more careful about the kind of music you listen to after knowing this. After all, our body is 70% water. And this information is not very new. In ancient India we knew what all factors affected the water and how in turn it affected us. Still, in some places of southern India, in the morning before storing the water they do some kind of aarti or puja of the water storing vessel. It is done because the water can store a great amount of memory and can remember how it was treated. So how you will treat the water will treat you. Now science is also recognizing this property of water. And nowadays water is coming to be called as a liquid computer. This easily explains why people are lined up for tirtha, a drop of sacred water in the temple. Because it contains the memory of the divine and it can do wonders for you when it enters your system. So a lesson which you can learn from this video is to be conscious of from where you are drinking the water. Suppose you always travel without any water and ask a stranger for water when you feel thirsty. Then you are absolute uncertain of what memory that water contains and how it can affect you. You never know if the other person has good or bad intentions for you. By simply replacing your plastic bottle by a water bottle made of copper or certain copper alloys to drink water, you can drastically improve your health. This is because the metal increases the vibration of water, which affects you in a real positive way. If you are further interested to know about this topic, you can always read the book The Hidden Messages in Water by Dr. Masaru Emoto. Thanks for staying till the end. Hope you gained some new knowledge and looking forward to see you in the next